Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, where real-life justice unfolds in real time. Today's case, State of Texas versus Deonte Harold, takes us inside a tense probation hearing that quickly turns into a high-stakes showdown. Mr. Harold, already on community supervision for assault, family choking, strangulation, is back in front of the same court accused of multiple violations, including drug use, failing to report, and skipping required intervention programs. The defendant pleads true, admitting to marijuana use and missed probation meetings. That might not sound like much, but under Texas law, even one confirmed violation can trigger a full revocation, potentially landing him up to 10 years in prison. The judge's tone stays calm but firm, trying to understand if Mr. Harold's failures stem from hardship or willful neglect. Then comes a revealing moment. Harold blames stress, PTSD, and OCD for his marijuana use. It's a rare look into the emotional weight defendants carry when balancing probation, finances, and mental health. But this is just the start, because as we'll see later, this isn't Harold's first time here, and the judge is running out of patience.
Mr. Harold, I just want to say how much I appreciate that you're dressed appropriately for court and that you realize this is a professional setting. I greatly appreciate CR 7886, State of Texas versus Deonte Harold. And are you Mr. Harold?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Harold, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you?
Yes.
Are you the same Deonte Harold who was placed on community supervision and cause number 2017 CR 7886 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on May 2nd, 2019 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 14th day of October 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deonte Harold, did then and there use an illegal substance, namely marijuana, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State.
Violated condition number 5, in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deonte Harold, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November or December in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Violated condition number 15G, on or about the 11th day of January 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deonte Harold, did then and there fail to apply for or provide documentation of attendance and comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements as directed by the court and or supervision officer or the head of authorized personnel of the following program, Batters Intervention Prevention Program, in violation number 15G.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Harold, did you understand by pleading true to violation of conditions 2, 5, and 15G, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2, 5, and 15G?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 2, 5, and 15G true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask that you deny the state's motion to revoke and you alter and amend the conditions to include register for BIP course within 10 days, drug patch for 90 days, and weekly reporting for 90 days.
Mr. Harold, I have a few questions for you. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. With regards to the BIP classes, does that have to do with finances? Can you afford the BIP class? What's going on?
Unfortunately, my counselor had a 2-day, he took 2 days off and he made it a double class, and I ended up missing that double class. So it ended up taking 2 days away from the 3 days that I did have. So it's more just an attendance thing.
Okay. Now then the other thing is with regards to the drug issue. What are you using and why?
Marijuana, Your Honor, and I don't really have an excuse other than stress and PTSD and OCD.
So, Mr. Harold, has probation helped you with any type of mental health issues? Or are you seeing someone?
Currently, I am not seeing anybody.
Okay. Okay. All right. This is what the court will do. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions. You're to re-enroll in BIP within 10 days. Do you understand, Mr. Harold?
Yes, I am already enrolled, Your Honor.
Thank you. And when's the last time you used drugs?
It has been over a month now.
All right. So we're going to do testing for levels. And then once those levels are at 0 or negative, we'll put you on regular testing.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services. Are you employed?
I am, Your Honor.
What do you do?
I am a manager at 7-Eleven.
Okay. So we're going to do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services just to see if you need any help with any other issues. Okay, Mr. Harold?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Harold, is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right, then we will close the record.
Court is calling 2017 CR 7886 State versus Deonte Harold. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Abelardo Garza for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Harold?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Deonte Marquise Harold who was placed on community supervision in 2017 CR 7886 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on May 29th, on May 2nd, 2019 for a term of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 11th day of January 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harold, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 22nd day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harold, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 8th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harold, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True. The state will waive the other violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
All right. Did you understand by pleading to that, those violations, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations of 2, 2, and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 2, 2, and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
All right. The court is not going to follow that agreement. This is his 5th motion to revoke. And each time the issues have been, they've tried to address those issues. Before I was judge, there was a motion to revoke in 2018, a violation of condition number 2. So that judge gave you intensive outpatient treatment. Then in 2018, there was another violation that you pled true to a violation of condition number 1. That judge gave you 0 tolerance. And then on May 1st, 2019 with me, there was a violation of 18, 22, and 23. And on that date, the court found you guilty because you were previously on deferred. So the court ordered conditions that would help you be rehabilitated. Then you came back on March 28, 2022. There's a violation of 2, 5, and 15G. And the court did a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And now we're back here with the same violations. There's nothing else left that the court can do. So the court is finding 2, 2, and 2 true. And the court is going to revoke. What is the request for time?
We'll defer. I may have 1 second, Sean.
Yes. All right, state, what are you requesting for time? Or if you're not requesting any, I'll make a
They
ruling.
will ask for 10 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking for 3.
All right. So the court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. The court will give you credit for any time served. Just one moment. Family violence in the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and also there's to be no residing in any household with minors.
After multiple chances, the patience finally runs out. The judge methodically lists 5 prior violations, each time the court tried rehabilitation instead of prison, outpatient treatment, zero tolerance warnings, counseling referrals. But with repeated failures to comply, the judge decides enough is enough, revoking probation and sentencing Mr. Harold to 6 years in state prison. The judge closes with a firm reminder: as this conviction includes family violence, Harold permanently loses his right to own or possess a firearm. It's a sobering end to a long legal road, one that shows how leniency can run out when second chances are squandered. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call, or did Harold deserve one more opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Courtroom Chronicles for more real-life courtroom drama, legal insight, and powerful judge moments every week. Something of the turtle and the judo list, saddening the powers and a vestige.